Does it mean you don't want to get married?
Father, I have said this before and I am still saying it again. I will get married when I want to and in the right time, okay?
Don't forget, if your father dies while you're still a bachelor, you can't sit on the throne.
And what's that supposed to mean? I don't get it.
That means you will not sit on that throne. Why? I want to see your wife so that I can give you my blessings in the presence of my elders, so that when I join my ancestors, you will not have problem.
Brother, I think you're being too rigid with these girls. That's why you've not seen any as a wife.
Oh yes, your sister is right. Amandi, you have to loosen up your assessment.
Oh God, you all should just stop. What's going on here? Why is it no one wants to listen to me? You're all pushing me to get married. You're not even considering my happiness. Listen, Father, these girls are just after my money, fame and all that. They don't love me and I don't love them either. Father, please, I am begging you. Allow me to choose a wife in my own way. I am begging, please. In due time, I will bring a woman to you, my own woman. Okay?
My son, you can always count on us whenever you need our support.
That's all I want from you all. Please, allow me.
My son, get a wife.
I will. Well, that was how it all happened. I left my kingdom down to yours. I had to pretend to be a palm wine tapper until I met your daughter.
Chai.
And we both fell in love. And you approved of us getting married. So I had to take her over to my kingdom where my parents, the king and the Lolo, accepted her as their daughter-in-law.
Chai.
So we came to you so that you can give us your final blessings and take you down to my kingdom where we'll do all the necessary things before preparing for the traditional marriage.
That is very good. Thank you very much, my son. Though I know I've given you my blessing long before now, but my daughter never told me that you are coming now. I know you will come, but not
yeah,
so
we
soon.
wanted to surprise you.
You are highly welcome.
We are here already.
Well, we are on the road now. What do we do?
We shouldn't be doing this on the road. We'll go over to your house and we'll talk more better.
I'm sorry. Shall we?
All right, guys. Let's go.
My children.
Yes, Dad.
It gladdens my heart you all going to school together. Now tell that. What will you love me to do for you?
For me, I don't think I need anything for now. I don't think I need cash.
All right.
Please keep your mouth shut. I need some money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000.
All of that?
Yeah. Buy some yummy treat.
Daddy, me too, I need some money.
Ah.
That's it.
Adure.
I want money.
You know what? I will give all of you money so you can buy yourself something nice.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you, Dad.
There
Thank
you
you.
go.
One time.
Ikemba. There you go.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Adure. Here.
Thank you, Daddy.
Chicken man.
Thank you, Daddy.
And this is for you.
Daddy, you gave her 3.
My dear, I am happy for Diego and his family.
Why do you say that?
When I remember how they desperately needed children many years ago.
You're right. Lola Adedogu. is a kind-hearted woman. Maybe that's why the God decided to bless her, because of her virtues.
Exactly. And that is why it is good to be good.
I'm telling you.
I'm so happy for her. She's really a nice person.
Very, very nice. My king,
Yes, my love.
I am so happy that the palace is filled with our children.
I am equally happy. Ikemba! Come here with your sister. Ikemba, you've been playing football with your sister since you came back from school. When are you going to attend to your homework?
Dad, forget about that. Anyways, Mom is gonna take good care of our assignment, isn't it?
Dad, it's true. Mom is gonna help us with our assignments.
Aperiche, is this true?
Of course, my king.
Now that's very wrong. Absolutely wrong. How do you expect them to do well if you always do the assignments for them? No wonder they fail their exams, because they lack confidence to walk alone.
My king, don't speak that of my children.
Well, they are my children too. But unfortunately, Mona Chimso and his sisters are doing better than them, academically I mean.
My king, I don't like it when you compare my children to them.
Like I said, they are my children. But unfortunately, they are more intelligent.
My king, I will not sit here and listen to you insult my children. Chikamaram, Ikemba, let's go.
Aperiche, I've said nothing wrong.
She's heartless, she's evil. She don't care for anybody but herself. She's so mean and so rude. She wanna be the first. She don't wanna see anybody rise. Cause she's a heartless woman. Wow, oh, she's so mean. She's an evil woman. She's an evil woman.
But Mom, why is it that Daddy doesn't see any good thing in us?
I don't know. I don't know, my darling.
Mommy, I think that Daddy is not happy with us because I've not been doing well at school.
Will you shut up? Shut up! What do you know? Your father doesn't like you or your brother. He always compare you to Mona Chimso and his siblings. Is it fair?
Mommy, I think Daddy loved them more than us.
Yes, you're very correct. Your father loves them more than both of you. Good. Come here. I want you to promise me something. That no matter what happens, you will always stand by each other. Promise me that. Good. Come here. I love you both so much.
I love my family and I love you too.
Listen to me. I will never let anyone, not even your father, to look down on both of you.
Yes, Mom.
Okay, go and get your assignment, Lunia.
Oh, no.
Okay.
So, my children, I don't want you to get so relaxed because your father commended your hard work and your brilliance in your academics, okay?
Okay. Mommy, what are we supposed to do?
You're supposed to work harder and take your academics more seriously right now, okay? So you can keep making Daddy and Mommy proud.
Don't worry, Mommy. I will keep working hard, and my intention is to be a medical doctor.
Really?
Yes, Mommy.
That's my son. So tell me, what do medical doctors do?
They treat and save people's lives.
That's my son. I'm proud of you.
I want to become a lawyer.
Really?
what lawyers do.
They sort out cases and give fair justice.
That's my girl. So tell me, Kyra Luchuku, my daughter, what do you want to be?
Mommy, I want to be a banker.
Really? Okay, let's hear what the bankers do.
They save money for people and handle financial issues.
Wow, my babies, I am so proud of you. Oh, that's great. That's good and that's interesting.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
I promise to make you proud.
Oh, my son.
I promise to make you and Daddy proud henceforth.
Oh.
Yes, Mommy.
Oh, my babies. I am already proud of all of you. Like, I'm so proud. And I know you all will make Mommy and Daddy proud.
Yes.
Oh, I love you. Mwah.
Mommy, I love you.
I love you too.
I love you, Mommy.
Oh, I love you. Come here, Kyra. Mwah.
Ikemba. Ikemba. My friend, will you stop this? Why are you drinking this whiskey? Why? Yeah?
Dad, why do you take my drink?
How many times have I told you that it is wrong for you to do this as a minor? This is too much for you.
Dad, I like it. Why do you even take my drink anyway? Mom always gives me this type of drink, huh?
What? Your mom does what? Your mom gives you such drink as a minor.
My king. What is it? Why are you shouting?
You're turning this child into a sport. I do not like it.
What? I don't understand.
How dare you allow this boy take hot drinks? Whiskey for that matter.
Why wouldn't he? Is whiskey poison?
Answer! Look, right.
Apology, all I'm saying is that it is misleading to give a minor hot drinks. That is so wrong.
My king, to tell you the truth, I'm not comfortable with the way you scold my son, Ikemba. If it were to be Munachi and his siblings, would you have scolded them like that? Just because of a mere hot drink or whiskey or whatever you call it. My king, why do you hate my children so much? Why? The drink you're talking about is not even yours. Or is your own missing? Yes.
Is this all we have to say? No, tell me, is this all you have to say? Right in front of him? You don't get my point, do you? Huh?
It is you that don't understand me and my children. Ikemba, my son. Let's go.
Wait, but Mom, what about my drink?
I'll get you another one. Let's go.
Apuruche, be very careful.
So beautiful. Please, can I have it? Okay. Why will you bring our balloon? Hey, look at Andrew. You are using our stupid balloon to make noise in the palace. If you and your sister did not make us have in this palace, don't give me that. You and your brother are the idiots we have in this palace. Hey, are you mad at me gonna say? Huh? Have you gone mad? You idiot! How dare you call my sister idiot? Stop it! Stop it! Why are you idiots beating up my son? Are you stupid?
Wait, what are you doing? Who are those you're calling idiots?
My children?
Of course your children.
You calling my children idiots?
Yes! They conspired against my children. For what?
My children will not do that if they did not look for their trouble.
I know you will support them. But don't stop me from beating this
No! What with you? Don't you ever hit my children again. Don't you try it. I warn you.
You want to fight? No, you want to fight me?
What in the name of the gods is going on here?
Igwe, Opuriche is crossing her limits.
My king, warn Adajogo, else she will have me to contend with.
You cannot do anything.
Really?
Yes. You won't do anything.
Try.
I said you
Try.
won't do anything. Just try. Do it. Try it.
Enough!
Do anything.
Adajo. Appreciate. Since when did you two turn this palace into a marketplace? What do you expect my subject to say about the palace? I'm disappointed in the two of you. Right in front of your kids.
Ikemba, my son. Please don't let this issue upset you.
Mommy, I'm already angry. I'm already upset.
I know. Please calm down, okay? Calm down.
If you want me to calm down, give me some money. Let me buy something for myself.
Okay. Okay. Well, what do you need money for? You have everything you need in this palace.
What I want is not in this palace. It's out there.
Okay.
Are you giving me the money or not?
Sure, I will, my son. I will. Here's the money. I hope it's enough.
I can manage it.
Okay.
I'm going with you. That won't be necessary. Stay with mommy.
Oh, please be careful, my son.
Nothing mega.
I don't want you now, more than I don't want. I don't want you many fading. Oh, she's an evil woman. Oh, I don't want you now, more than I.
No.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Do you think that's the best bet?
Of course, it is the best approach. Because the farmers in this kingdom will be so gladdened about the good news. Yes, they'll be gladdened. Because to let them have fertilizers at subsidized rate will go a very long way to lessen the financial burden. And of course, improve their total yield.
Oh no, boy, like that.
Of course, it is a good news for them.
Yes, it
Yes.
is. It is. And we will do just that.
It's all right.
Yeah. Ah. Ikemba.
Bunch of old men. Nothing mega.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty? That is supposed to be the prince of this kingdom. Why doesn't he want to greet me?
No.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I do not know what has come over my son, Ikemba.
Whatever that must have come over him, I should be corrected and on time. Like I said, he is the prince of this kingdom and must behave rightly for a lot of traditional reasons. He must be corrected whenever he errs. Yes.
Gods!
Stop crying. Stupid elders. Why can't you two elders stay in your houses and leave us alone?
Prince Ikemba, are you referring to us or is there any other person you are talking to?
Who else is the elders around here now? Anyway, I'm talking to both of you. For your information, your only aim of coming to this palace is to enjoy free food and drinks. Don't you know where they used to sell them in the market?
Can someone tell me I'm dreaming?
If you like, sleep to bed.
Hey!
I've said my own.
Hey! Your Highness, such character is not supposed to be seen in a prince.
Your Highness, you need to caution him.
Yes.
He should learn to greet and respect elders.
Not just respecting and greeting elders. Your Majesty, the character of Prince Ikemba is out of it. It is something else. And we know this. It is becoming quite unbecoming. And it is obvious that somebody or something somewhere is actually manipulating our prince.
You're right.
And that I want you to look into. Look into it, Your Majesty. Put a stop to it once and for all. Because there is no smoke without fire. Do that for the good of our kingdom.
Oh no.
Your Majesty.
Elders of my cabinet. You've all spoken well.
Thank you.
And I assure you all that I will look into this seriously.
That's what it should be.
Yes, I will.
That is it, because we can't allow this to continue.
Of course, of course.
Daddy, may you live long. Greetings, Daddy.
Princesses of our great. What's that? What is that? What are you holding? Drop it! I said drop it! Now! Come this way. Now! Come here! Kneel! Kneel down! I said kneel down. Since when did you start smoking cigarettes in this palace?
Daddy, we saw him smoking yesterday.
Ask the gods to give you a king. Now. I will teach you a lesson you will never forget.
Please, forgive me.
Be quiet.
Hey! Mommy! Help me! Don't you kill your son, no! Help me!
Quiet!
Mommy!
Get back! Get back!
My king! What has my son done that made you treat him like a criminal?
Can you imagine what your son was going to do? Smoking! At his age!
Just that?
What do you mean by that?
Just this? When has smoking become a crime or an offense?
Don't ever ask such a silly question. Don't! With due respect, don't ask such a question.
You think I don't know? You don't think I don't know that you have been placing the king on seeing my son as the black sheep of the family? Let me ask you all a question. If Prince Ikemba were to be your son, would you have maltreated him like that?
With all due respect, Lord, you are getting it all.
Hold it there! Ichia Okwadike, keep your respect to yourself!
Aburite!
My king!
Don't you ever insult my elders in council because of your reckless son, Ikemba. For the sake of the gods, he should be corrected when he goes wrong and not applauded.
My king, with all due respect, I I did not insult your elders in council. I only stated the facts. Then you should stop presenting my son as the black sheep of the family. Why are getting those children as saints?
Yes.
Period. Ikemba, stand up from there. Let's go.
Before us, Your Majesty.
Mommy, Prince Ikemba is so stubborn. I don't like the way he talks to Daddy and the elders.
The worst is that he misbehaves after smoking.
Now I understand why he enjoys following bad friends in school. Because he's not serious in any of the school activities.
Listen, my children, please. Under no circumstance should you follow bad friends or join any bad group. Okay? People who don't keep to the rules of the school, people who don't participate in any of the school activities, please stay away from them.
Yes.
No bad groups. What did I say?
No bad groups.
Anybody who is disobedient to your teachers or to the rules of the school is not your friend. Please stick to people who always do the right things. Is that a deal?
Yes.
So deal.
Igwe nke izizi, nke ịbụa, nke ịtọ, nke ịnọ, nke ise. Hey, Igwe Eze Kachakpi of Igbo land. I greet you, my king.
Otenku Ofonye.
My king. Igwe, I'm fine, but not that really fine.
Why is that?
The fresh palm wine I was bringing for you. Your son Ikemba, Prince Ikemba, threw it away.
What?
Daddy, that palm wine that he brought for you wasn't good for your health anyway.
And how do you know that?
I tasted it, and it was like poison, so I had to throw it away.
Eh? Igwe, you know the palm wine I used to bring for you now? And I was a palm wine, Amaka. And he was the one that insisted to test it. And I had to give it to him.
Otenku, it's alright. I will give you money for the palm wine he listed. Okay? And you, I will teach you a lesson. And go to my chambers and wait for me. Move! Go there! I'm sorry about that. Okay?
So, Your Highness, anyway, I'm sorry for all these things, but there is something I can do. I have to exercise my anger. Igwe akatampo, nke izizi, nke ịbụa, nke ịnọ, nke ise, n'Igbo land. I greet you, sir.
It's alright. I will send them to bring money for you.
Yes.
Guys!
Daddy, here's my terminal report card and my phone.
Let me see. Wow. You came third in your class.
Yes, Daddy.
That's nice. Huh? Keep it up, my love. Congratulations. Adure.
Yes, Daddy.
That must be your result. Can I see, please?
Daddy, here is it.
Good.
Daddy, I came out 6 out of 27 in the class.
Let me see. Oh, Adure, your performance in mathematics and science is poor this time. Why?
Daddy, I'm so sorry. I'll work harder next time to improve in my performance.
You promise?
Yes, Daddy.
Good. Here you go.
Thank you.
Chikimara. Can I have your result, please? Why is it wrong? What? You came 20th out of 30 pupils in your class. Why?
Daddy, I'm so sorry.
Chikamara, you have to be focused. You need to work harder to make it next time. Alright?
Okay, Daddy.
Here's the result. You came back. What is the result?
Daddy, we just concluded our common entrance examination.
Oh,
so
yes.
our results will come out later.
Oh, yes, that's true. Same applies to you.
Yes, Dad. He also said our results will come out in 2 weeks.
So how was the exam?
Dad, the questions were so cheap. The answers were very simple. I even finished in a time.
I trust my son.
Ooh! I know you trust in my mom.
I trust you, son.
Yeah. Yes, Daddy.
How was it?
It was great. It's cool. I tried my best.
My daughters,
Yes, Mother.
I am so proud of you.
Thank you, Mother.
Well done. But I hope that next time you could come first for me.
Yes, we promise.
Oh. And then my son Munachimso, I also wish that your result would be as good as your sister's, or even better.
Yes, Mom. I tried. But I wish myself good luck.
Good luck to you.
Thank you, Mama.
Good luck.
Thank you, Dad. I
luck.
promise.
So guys, I think it's time to go upstairs and have a bath.
Okay, Dad.
When will both of you stop disgracing me publicly? I do everything to make you happy. You cannot at least make me smile.
Mommy, I am sorry. I tried my best, but it wasn't good enough.
You shouldn't have apologized to your father out there. Your apology made Ada Diogo and our children mock us. Didn't you see the way they were hanging their shoulders?
Mommy, I promise you I'll do well in my next exam. Mommy, I promise you that I will laugh and dance when my result comes out. Just wait and see. I will gain admission into one of the best secondary schools in this country.
Come here. You come here. Come.
It's okay.
It's okay. I love you both. Hope you know that. Please, never you apologize to your father when that woman and her children are there. Okay?
Yes, Mom.
Alright.
It's the best. Mommy is so happy with our excellent results.
That's the reason she went to the kitchen to prepare her favorite food.
That's not all.
Is there anything you know that we don't?
Yes, I know. So many things you don't know. Tell us. Tell us what you heard, please.
Okay. I overheard her talking with her maidens.
Please tell us. What did she tell her?
Okay, but it's gonna be a secret. I overheard her. She said she's taking you both for shopping tomorrow. And it's a surprise.
I can't wait for tomorrow.
Me too.
Okay, but don't tell her I said anything to you both.
Okay.
I know you won't talk, but her she must talk. Because she is Mommy's pet.
Yes.
My king,
Yes, my love.
I will never be a party to disrupt the peace and harmony of this kingdom. I will always talk to our children to obey the rules guiding this palace.
And that's very good. I'm glad we're on the same page.
Of course we are. Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings.
Did your father, do you know who sent you to me?
No, Your Highness. It is the state and federal common entrance examination result of your children, Ikemba and Munachimso. I was employed recently in their school.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Can I have it? Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Highness. I beg to take my leave.
Granted. Oh, Ikemba. This is Ikemba's State Common Entrance Examination result. It's a fair result, and he has been given admission into Ezinifite Secondary School. Take a look.
Let me see. I know my son will do well.
Wow. Oh, wow. This is Munachimso's result. And he came out best in the state. Take a look.
Let me see.
This is Ikemba's federal result. He failed. Oh, this is wonderful. Munachimso came out best. The whole of the southeast. This is great news. That boy always makes me proud. Wow! I can't wait to show this to his mother. We have something else. This is unbelievable. This is a scholarship from PTF to university level for Munachimso. Wow! And that boy makes me proud every day. I'm very sure this news will gladden his mother's heart. Munachimso, my son.
My king, please excuse me.
God! God!
Your Highness!
Come!
Greetings, Your Highness.
Fetch Queen Adadiogo now.
Alright, Your Highness.
Quick!
You have finished me. You have finished me. What is this? What is this?
Mommy, you don't have words.
Look at your brother's poor results. Unlike Munachimoso's result, that is excellent. He even got a scholarship.
What?
Yes. He came back. Come here. Come here. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Tell me what is wrong with you. Why can't you wipe away my tears by giving me a good result? Why? I do everything to make you happy, but you cannot just impress me.
Mommy, I'm very surprised at my poor results. I usually read every time, but I don't know what normally makes me to forget things.
What are you insinuating?
Mommy, it's true. I experienced it too in my exams.
Are you sure of what you're saying, my children?
Yes, Mommy.
Come here. I'm sorry for shouting at you, okay? I'm very sorry. Come.
My queens, you see, I want to appreciate my son, Prince Munachimso, in a special way for his wonderful and laudable academic achievement as the best graduating student from the Southeast in the just concluded Federal Common Entrance exam.
Oh, my king, that would be so nice. I mean, there is no better way to encourage hard work.
Nice one, Adadiogo. I wasn't expecting you to say anything better. Of course, it is your son that will be appreciated. Let me tell you something. You see this your gimmicks with the Igwe? It doesn't bother me one bit. It doesn't. You know why? Because at the end of the day, my son, Ikemba, will be more successful than your son. Let us bet.
Appreciate, stop it. I said stop it. I expect you to encourage your children to do better. Work harder to come out top in the class. And not this. What is wrong with you?
My king, excuse me.
You're well excused.
Ngene obududu. Oji won yo sakpara nke eko. Anya be kwa ga ishi ada. Ngba na olukwa go sheru. Simon ga ishi emeje. No kwa ga ishi eme ga ishi eme ntente ma. No bu kwa memecha ma. No nte ivo no odu na eme. Ogwe bu no cha de ku hulu nu go kwacha na agbakende. He's a lock of amaga.
Hey, great one. Great one. Great one, I'm finished. My enemy has finished me. Great one, they have destroyed my children. Great one, I'm finished.
My daughter, sit down. What is the matter?
Great one, my co-wife. She bewitched my children. She turned their brilliance into failure. Great one, no matter how hard my children read, they still come out with a poor results.
Your co-wife wants her children to be better than yours, so she now casts a spell on your children.
I said it. I knew it. I said it, Great One. Great One, can you believe that a son won the scholarship that my son Ikemba studied hard for?
Yes, I'm not to gaga. What is in a mess in a match and you want no one negative? My daughter,
Great One.
What do you want the deity to do for you?
Great One, I don't know. I don't know. I just want the deity to help me, Great One. Great One, do you know that the Igwena sees my son as the black sheep of the family?
Aliliana! Hey! Aliliana! My daughter,
Great One.
I can't carry one word. When it's a couple of again, eh? I'm gonna work with my river, no. I can't be here, no be worker. I can't be here, no be worker. I'm gonna work with my river, no. I'm gonna go to the game. I'm gonna go to Sorobia. Obia now. I'm gonna marry my no. I'm gonna go to the game. I'm gonna go to Sorobia. Obia now.
are you doing in my mother's chamber?
What did you see? And what is that you're holding in your hand?
You are stealing my mother's money, right?
Me steal? I'm not stealing, no. It's just this small money that you're calling. Hey, Mama! Thief! Thief! I am a thief! Hey, Mama! Thief! I am a thief! Stop calling me a thief! It's not small money, I'm a thief! I'm a thief! It's small money, I'm a thief!
And what was the noise about?
Your Highness, we caught him stealing money in Her Majesty's chamber.
What? Mona Chimso. Stealing? But how?
Yes, Daddy. I don't trust this Muna Chimiso. He's not trustworthy. You see that money that is holding on his hand? He stole it from my mom's chambers. And I caught him red-handed. Mommy, it's just small money, I too. Small money. And you shut up. How shall I use this money to buy something? Won't you collect the thing?
So you have been stealing from me? Ha! I said it. I said it that this boy is a pretender. But Igwe, you will not listen to me. I said it. Oh, your Oshi.
But it's not just small money, I stole.
Hey, Munachi. Munachi, what happened? That's not what happened. Are you seriously asking him that? When it's obvious you sent him! Like mother, like son! Thieves! Oh, you think I don't know? You think I don't know that criminality runs in your blood? I'm on the Oshi.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Maiden, what is it?
Your Highness, she came to our quarters and stole this pot of soup.
Hey!
Yes, Your Highness. They also ate the meat in the pot.
Can someone tell me what's going on in my palace?
Even what else is going on? If not that they are all thieves.
Yes.
I thank the gods for exposing the bad eggs of this family. Ndioshi.
But she's not a thief. She took the meat and it's just small meat. It's just small meat.
Mona Chimso. Maiden, attend to her fast.
My king, nothing is happening to her. She's just pretending. She's pretending.
You saw me, mommy pretending. Mommy. Thieves. Mommy, please.
Munachiso, so you are the one terrorizing this community? Huh? Okay, well, you're here. Hey! Your father must hear it. Oh, yeah, carry it. Come, carry it. Put here. Oh, shit. Carry it. It's too heavy. It's now you want to know that it's too heavy. When you are running with it, you don't know that it's too heavy. Come on, carry it. Carry it. Put here, sister. Put here. Your father, the Igwe, must hear this. Oh, yeah.
God, please.
Come to this one. Oh, shit.
Oh, body cake. One thing. What has my son done?
Your Majesty, this is a shameful act from Prince Munachimso. My king, he came and stole this bunch of plantain from me.
Hey!
If not for the love I have for you, the respect I have for you, I would have taken laws into my hands and killed him at the spot.
Your Majesty, Munashizu came to my farm and stole my yam. A snake seen by one can be described as a python. I beg Maziwanze not take laws into his hand. We decided to come here for you to see it yourself.
Well, my king and elders, the custom and tradition of our land is clear on this issue. No matter who is involved, Muna Chimso must be dragged round this village for stealing.
Apuriche, keep quiet! For the sake of the gods, Muna Chimso is still a minor.
I know you will defend him. Of course you have to defend him. He's your preferred son. Thief.
Muna Chimso, what have I ever done to you? That you have to bring this kind of shame upon us? What have I done to you?
Mom, I don't know when I'm doing it. I'm sorry.
Your Majesty, as a custodian of our land, what do we do?
According to the custom and tradition of our great people, since the days of my forefathers and great kings before me, late Igwe Oboko, late Igwe Ochaha, late Igwe Ikenga, things have been done correctly and will continue even after I must have gone. Though you are my son, but our custom and tradition must be observed duly. No matter who is involved, be it my son or not,
Dad.
be my forefathers bear me witness.
Dad, please, I'm sorry. Dad, please, I'll never
Take him away.
Why you're talking like a king?
Sorry.
If an man of Bodo, if an man of Bodania, I castle for our land, I rise and fight for us. I am my fine amazing. We don't know what's in the happen now. Castle for our land. Arise and fight for us. Makanal on the amazing noise. If a man of manipulation in the
Mommy, I'm sorry.
So, you all tell me, have I not been a good mother to you?
Mommy, you're the best.
I am the best? And you all still went ahead to steal. So you could bring shame on me. Look at the shame you brought to me.
Mommy, we are not thieves. We don't know what happened.
You don't know what happened?
Mommy, I'm sorry. I don't know what I did. Mommy, why are people calling me a thief?
No, leave me alone! Leave me alone! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't come near me right now! Look at them, my son! Look at them, criminals!
Thieves! So, now tell me, which location are you going to steal from this time?
Answer my son!
Tell me!
Shut your mouth, Ikemba! Apuriche! Can't you control that boy for once?
My king, why should I control my son when he's only saying what he saw?
Enough of the mockery in this palace. Apuriche! Now listen good. I will not take it lightly with anyone who tries to make jest of Adajogo and her children. Have I made myself clear?
My king, continue to support them even when they are wrong, but it doesn't change the fact that they are criminals. In the ocean.
Apuriche!
Criminals! That is what they are. My son, let's go.
She's an evil woman.
Thank you, Igwe.
It's alright, darling.
I was looking everywhere for you.
Oh, really?
Yes. I wanted to inform you that I will be going with the children to visit my brother later today.
Ah, that's good. Extend my greetings to him.
I will.
Okay?
I will, Igwe. Thank you.
Let's go inside.
Okay, Dad.
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, Your Highness.
She's an evil woman. She's an evil woman.
My king, what is it?
Pt2. I do not like your recent attitude towards Daddy.
My king, I don't understand.
Why will you and your children make mockery of them? Are you happy with the present predicament?
My king, there is no predicament in this issue. My king, you may not know this, but our clan is known for theft.
And that's a lie. I know the family very well.
My king, let me shock you. You're not aware that you married her as a result of the spell she casted on you.
Enough! Don't you ever utter such nonsense before me again. I'll leave my presence at once.
What?
I said leave.
I will leave. But please, think about it. If possible, investigate it.
Daddy, I have come to beg and ask for forgiveness on behalf of my mothers and siblings. We are not thieves or criminals. We are sorry.
Rise, my son.
Thank you, Dad.
Sit.
Thank you.
Munachimso, my son. I was wondering what came over you.
Daddy, we don't know. But all we can say for now is we're sorry. It will never happen again. We are ready to amend all the shames you have brought onto this family through our actions.
I've heard you, my son. I am glad you realize your mistakes and ready to make amends. I have forgiven you all. Now you must go and fetch your sisters. I must have a word with them.
Okay. Thank you, Your Highness.
Munachimso,
Yes, Dad.
you should prepare for school in 2 weeks.
Wow!
I'm happy. Your scholarship isn't a waste after all.
Wow! Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you so much.
Now go get your sisters.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay, take a look at this. Do you like it? And this is the skirt. It's beautiful, right? Yes. So what are you supposed to say to mommy?
Hey! Mama! There is trouble! There is trouble! Oh! Munachimso went to father to go and apologize. Right now, as I'm talking to you now, he's in his chambers. Father have already accepted his apologies.
What?
Let's shock you. The most important thing is that father said that he should get ready for school in 2 weeks. What's wrong?
Have you seen it? Have you seen it? I told both of you that your father doesn't care about your school. All he cares about is their affairs. Have you seen it?
Mommy, what are we going to do? Don't worry, sister. Me and Mama will handle the case, okay?
She's heartless, she's evil. She don't care for anybody but herself.
I have noticed Prince Monachimso no longer steals.
Yeah, he's now the good boy we used to know. And I believe now he's a changed person.
You see, his recent shameful act brought disgrace upon this royal family.
Yeah. I hope he doesn't steal anymore before he will ridicule this royal family.
I hope so.
Anyway, let me go back to my duty post.
I will see you later.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine. Oh, I was doing something at the back. Yes, my dear. I am really happy things are going on well for Queen Ada Joko.
Oh, it feels good to know she's happy.
Yes, and I thank God for that.
I'm happy for her too.
Me too.
I'm really happy.
Let's go and check on her, please.
Better.
Hey, Ikemba, I am not ready for your troubles and names calling. Monachimso, please, I want you to know that I want to apologize of how we treated you and your siblings recently. Ikemba, are you really saying this? Are you serious? I am very serious. Monachimso, we are brothers. Children of the same father. There is no benefit in keeping malice to ourselves. I wish you could also find a place in your heart to forgive me. Ikemba, are you serious or you're kidding me? I am saying this from my heart. My mother has accepted it and my sister has accepted it. Or do you want me to kneel down for you to know that I'm serious? No, it's okay. I, my mother and my sisters have also forgiven you. Thank you.
It's okay. Brothers forever.
Yeah, bad luck, baby.
Okay. Let's go. I want to run an errand for my mom.
Okay, go. Have a good luck.
So tell me, what were you discussing with Prince Ikemba?
He came to apologize to us through me.
Really?
Yes, Mom.
No, that's not possible.
Yes, Mom. He even knelt down and begged me. But you taught us about forgiveness, so I had no choice than to forgive him.
Forgive them? After what they did to us?
Yes. You shouldn't have forgiven them, Prince Mona. Have you forgotten what they did to us?
Well, I think he did the right thing by forgiving them. Okay? Forgiveness is very important. Without forgiveness, how are we going to move forward? When we forgive, then we can have peace. And then your father will be happier. Okay?
Yes, Mom.
So forgiveness is very important. I'm happy you forgive him. Okay?
Okay, Mom.
That's my son. Have you forgiven them too now?
Yes.
Yes? And you? Yes. Good. Good.
Chimso. You know I'm not really good in maths now. I don't know how you arrived at this answer. Please teach me. I don't understand. It's cracking my head.
Okay, let me show you.
Okay.
3x equal to 12. And you are required to find the value of x. So, to find the value of x, you must divide both sides with 3. And x is equal to 4. So 4, it's my answer. Do you understand it now, or should I explain it further?
No. Yeah?
Okay.
It's okay. Thank you. I understand it. Thank you, Muna Chimso.
You're welcome.
Muna Chimso.
Yes?
I've been thinking.
Thinking about what?
You know, there's a place. I saw some ripe, delicious local fruits.
What are they?
The names are Cheleku and Oto.
Yes, they're very tasty. I love them.
Oh! Since you like it, let us go and pluck them now before somebody will come and replace it.
Okay, wait. Let me drop my boots inside.
Oh, that won't be necessary.
But I'm supposed to tell my mom that I'm going out first before I go out.
That one's necessary, yeah? My brother. Let us go and plug that Cheleku and Otto. So that I want you to be a surprise package for the whole family. You can give it to your sisters also.
Okay, but isn't the place far?
My brother, we'll come back soon. So let us go and hurry, rush up now before someone else will come and plug that Cheleku and Otto.
Are you sure it is not far?
Can I lie because of Otto and Cheleku?
Okay, then.
No, let me help you so that you'll be fast. Know that you're slow in writing. Oh yeah, let's go and carry that Cheleku and Otto before they'll come and carry it before.
Okay. My king, I am so happy that peace has finally returned to this palace.
Oh yes, you can say that again. You know, it gladdens my heart seeing the kids study together.
In fact, I don't even know what to say. I am so excited. In fact, I'm just short of words, you know.
Of course.
You know, since Muna Chimso started putting Ikemba through his studies, his brain has become sharp. Like the saying goes, iron sharpens iron.
Of course.
I am so happy.
You know what? I think we need a bottle of wine to celebrate this moment.
I agree.
I'll get that.
I've not gotten to the place as you said. I am tired though. I'm not working further. My legs, they are paining me.
Look, Muna Chimso, don't allow this your 2 legs here that I'm seeing so that you used to use and run around the whole compound that you're playing ball. Don't allow it to play, yeah? We're almost there, okay? So let's go now before anybody will plug that this thing. Our sweet fruit. I know that I like it now. So
Yes, I like it.
Sorry.
Yeah. Go. You see, moments like this is what I have always craved for in my family. Now let's have a toast.
Okay.
Better future for our children.
What happened? This is bad woman.
Adagiogo, it is nothing. This is nothing to worry about, okay?
Yes, maybe you were absent-minded.
I wasn't. This is bad woman. My children. Where are my children? Where are my children? Where are my children?
Quiet, you little boy. Don't keep quiet. I will scatter you like this. Nonsense. All these big men children said. Shut up!
Don't let them do this to me! Get them
back! Go quiet. Go quiet.
Get them back! Help me! Get them back! No! Get them back! Get them back!
Quiet!
Get them back!
Quiet! The grace! The grace! What? Put it inside. Barry! Barry! Speak French. Yalla! Oh, yalla!
Oh, you don't go with that too. Come!
Side, cover your head, cover your head. Cover this side, brother. Oh my God! Where are they?
I saw Munachimso here reading with you. Where is he?
Daddy, I don't know. I left him here to go and buy sweets, so maybe he may be inside.
Inside? But your mom and his mom has been searching everywhere for him. They can find him inside.
He may be inside. Let's go and help them to search for him. He may be inside hiding. Play hide and seek. Huh? Come, let's go.
Ikemba, where are you? Ikemba, please don't let them do this to me. Ikemba, please come and help me. Ikemba. Ikemba, where are you? Ikemba.
Son, how did it go?
Mom, when we got there, someone held him. He was crying and shouting for help. He called me to come, and I ran away from him.
Okay.
You did well, my boy. You did well. I will give you a very big gift. But please promise me that you will not tell anybody about this.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You promise?
Yes, ma'am. Mom, are you sure you're not going to hurt him?
No, not at all. They won't. They will just keep me away for some time to avoid him competing with you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Mommy.
I love you.
I love you more.
Remember what I told you. Don't tell anybody about this.
With all due respect.
That's my boy. Give me a hug.
Ow!
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Did you find my son? Or do you have any concrete information of his whereabouts?
Your Highness, we've searched everywhere, but he's nowhere to be found.
We are sorry, Your Highness. We searched everywhere. We couldn't find him. No one has any information about his whereabouts.
Leave my presence now. Both of you.
Your Highness. I need to find my son. You need to find him. You know how long I prayed to the gods. Your Majesty, why are you crying? Let me help you. Just let me do it. It's my cross. Let me carry it. Please let me help you, please. No. If she finds out that you helped me, she won't eat it. Don't worry, nobody saw me coming. Let me Don't worry. Just. It's my cross. Oh, carry it, please, my queen. Supported my husband to go and marry. I welcomed her into this home. I helped make her very comfortable in this palace. And now she's doing this to me. She wants to humiliate me and let me down at every point. What have I done to her? What have I done? Gods of our land, please don't let Obuche embarrass me in this palace, please. Please bless me too. Bless me too with the fruit of the womb. God of our land, please bless me too with the fruit of the womb.
Adadiogo, where are you going? You look like me. You're dressed like me. You even talk like me. But you're not me. I have an information for you. You will give birth to a son. And his name will be Munachimso. He will be the pillar of your family. How is that possible? Even when I'm not pregnant?
This was a dream? Muna Chimso. Muna Chimso. Before they favored me with Muna Chimso, if anything happens to him, Your Highness, I will commit suicide. Yes.
My love, please don't talk like this. I promise you nothing will happen to our son. I will send a search party out there to look for him. And I'm very sure they will find him. Okay?
They have to find him. My son, where have you been? I've been looking everywhere for you.
Come on, Mom. Don't bother yourself. I just want to get a surprise package for you.
Really?
Yes, Mom.
So, where is it?
I don't have anything for now, but I am back. Aren't you happy?
Yes, I am so happy to see you, my son, and I am coming to hug you.
Okay, Mom.
Munachi! Munachi!
Mana ene na aga ya gwa ogugu na onu efu ka ogugu malebe o ga-achọ gị ya. It's like him.
Papa, this one you are preparing to go for hunting under this hot sun. But you usually go for hunting at night or very early in the morning.
My daughter, I know you will not understand. The prince, Prince Munachinso, Igwe's son is missing. My daughter, I can't watch our prince go missing.
So what do you want to do?
My daughter, I want to be part of the search party. Wherever the prince is, I will go there and get him back.
No, Papa, you're too old for this. It is not your job. We have enough youth in this village that can do that.
My daughter, a retired general is still a general. Yes. Moreover, our king has been so good to this family. Since he ascended the throne, there's no better way to support him than now that his son is missing. Moreover, I still have enough strength to embark on this journey and hope to go there and come back with him. My daughter, I am going.
Okay, Papa, please be careful. Eh? Don't worry, I'll prepare your favorite for you.
Do that and don't waste time.
Okay, Papa.
Thank you very much.
My son, Prince Munachimso, has been missing since yesterday. The guards I sent out to search for him returned with no news of my son. I need my son back. I want my son back. I need you all to search for my son. I want my son back. Dead or alive. I want my son.
Your Majesty, you don't need to worry. We are here for you. It is said, when an item falls into the stream, use your feet to search for it, not hands. So we will not sit, fold our hands and be talking about this. I assure you we are going to set a search team. And I am very optimistic that that search team will bring words to you positively.
Yes, Your Majesty. We must find the prince, no matter what it takes.
I want my son back.
Your Highness Pt2, your son shall be found.
Yes.
I want my son.
We're going to find him.
Hey, if I tell you nothing, I may be queen of doings, now no they believe me.
That's you.
If I yarn, government themselves, they believe me.
Tell them. Mama. Mercy money. Guy, we are made. I have a go man.
Now they talk small. I'm on this kind of juicy deals. I dey always pray for.
I tell you, see, even Yahoo boys, 419ers, never make this kind deal.
What did they talk, Seth?
They talk small.
Those ones they press since 1990, they never cash out this kind of money. What did they yarn, Seth?
Mama, share the money, make everywhere bust.
I don't share money. What I do is money doing.
Who they talk? Who they?
No, he's getting better. Soon he will regain his strength.
Oh, that's so nice to hear. That's so nice.
No. Please, don't forget to give him his water when he wakes up. And if there is any need to call me, do not hesitate. I'll have to rush now.
Thank you.
All right. Please take good care of him.
Thank you much.
Your Majesty, we have searched everywhere in this kingdom, but unfortunately we couldn't find the prince.
Munachimso, my son. Where are you? Gods of our land, gods of my forefathers, gods of my ancestors, gods of the great kings before me, show me a sign. Show me a sign that my son is no more.
My son is dead. Just tell me. I know what you're trying to say. Just say it to me. Tell me that my son is dead. Tell me that he's dead. How can a whole set party go around this village and not find my son? Tell me that my son is dead. Tell me he's dead.
Your Highness, we have not said so. Nobody has said that your son is dead. Your Majesty, at this time, this point, you have to summon the Ezemo. Let him consult with the gods.
Yes, Your Majesty. We must find the prince, no matter what it takes.
Gods,
Yes, Your Majesty.
someone these immortals.
All right.
Your Majesty, you seek for your missing son.
Yes, Ezemo. I demand to know the whereabouts of my son. Is he dead or alive?
Your Majesty, the gods are silent.
And how can the gods be silent? How can the gods turn their back on the palace of the great acquisition of the kingdom? Ezemo, you are the eyes of the gods. Speak to them in a language they will understand. I want my son.
Your Majesty, the gods are wise. We are mere mortals. We cannot question them. I think I leave.
If a man of manipulation in the royal house, confusion in the royal home, it's an insult to royal.
My son, that was a connection with family. I found out that you were still alive after a week, so I decided to bring you home.
I was kidnapped by unknown men.
Quiet, you little boy! Don't keep quiet, I will scatter you like this. Nonsense! All these big men to yourself. Shut up!
Don't let them do this to me!
Go quiet!
Help me!
Quiet! Quiet! The grace! The grace! What? Put it inside. Barry! Barry! Speak better. Yalla! Oh, yalla! God! Yalla!
Oh, you don't go with that too. Come!
Side, cover your head. Cover this side, brother. My God. Where are they?
I couldn't see their faces. They tied me up and threw me into the pit. I watched helplessly as they covered me.
Guy, this is what turning into. You are lucky that I found you. Who are you and where are you from?
I am a prince, and my name is Munachiso, and I am from Akwezenfite Kingdom.
What? You are a prince from Akwezenfite Kingdom?
Yes.
What did you do? Why would somebody want to kill you?
I don't know. But I wish my mother and my father will know I am still alive. Can you help me?
My son, what you're asking for is very big because we don't know who is after your life and I don't want to get involved. You see, I'm scared. I'm confused. I don't want to get involved.
Please, sir, don't be scared and confused. You saved my life. And now, I want my parents to know that I am alive. Can you do it for me? Please, sir. Please.
Don't worry, okay? I'll see what I can do. The important thing is that you are alive. Okay? Don't cry again. Everything will be fine. Yeah?
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Everything will be fine, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Your Majesty, that was what the pastor said. I'm sorry. I have to confess to all the evil I committed for him to pray for me to be able to bear my own children.
What are you saying? You want to confess? If you do, everything we built and labored for will be destroyed. Chinyere, don't you know the implications of what you want to do?
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. You're a woman like me. You have your own children. I don't. I want to have my own children too. I want to be called a mother too. I'm sorry.
Chinyere, have you forgotten the oath we took before the deity?
It's a new dog at you. It's a new dog at you. And I will hold the chair and the woody Gigi. It's a new dog at you.
Great one.
My daughter.
This is Chinyere, my most trusted maiden. She has agreed to work with us.
Chinyere!
Yes, great one.
Can you be trusted?
Yes, great one.
You must take an oath before the deity of Ezekala that whatever we say or do will remain secret between us.
Yes, great one. I promise to keep every secret with the last drop of my blood.
Him! Both of you hold the staff of Ezekala and repeat after me. Whatever we do or say, will remain secret between us. May the deity of Ezekala strike me dead if I reveal the secret to anyone.
May the deity of Ezekala strike me dead if I reveal the secret to anyone.
So you see, if you confess, you will die.
I'm not scared anymore. I'd rather confess and die than to remain barren. I'm sorry.
Think about it.
There's nothing to think about. My mind is made up.
Chinyere, I said think about it. No, she can't confess. She can't confess. She can't. No, if she do, I'll be in trouble. She can't confess. No, she can't confess. She won't confess. She can't confess.
You're welcome.
Thank you. My in-laws, you're welcome, okay? Well, you should have told me you were coming to the palace. I would have sent the guards to come get you.
Your Majesty, we are sorry. Though my daughter wants it as a surprise, she said she has few things to settle with the queen, her sister. That is why we are here.
Really?
Yes.
All right, Sugama, what's it? Let's hear you.
I hope all is well.
Please, Your Majesty, my darling sister, please, I came here to ask for your forgiveness for everything I did to you, please. I know that I did not treat you well.
I don't know, right now I'm anticipating having a nice time with you.
Oh.
Hope you know what I mean, baby.
Of course I know.
That's my baby.
And I'm ready to give it to you.
Oh, give it to daddy.
Anyhow you want it.
That's my baby.
Oh. But you know we can't do it here.
Okay, that's true.
So let's go to a more conducive place.
Oh, you're right, baby.
Where we can have it.
Yeah, baby. You're right, baby.
I told you. Look at that. Shucks! Shucks! What are you doing when my sister will go mad? And what does it look like we're doing? Well, if you must know, we are going out on a date. Shucks. Is that true?
Of course it is. I mean, she's ready to give me what I've been begging you for years.
Full option.
And if you were me, what would you do? I'm grabbing it with my both hands. Alright? I've dusted you and I'm going for her. Get that into your head. You knew.
Did you hear him? Baby, honestly, Chooks, this isn't fair at all. Huh?
Come on, Mission.
Did somebody just talk?
Baby.
Who is talking?
What are you doing here?
She gossip.
Go in and have some fun, baby. That's my baby. Hey, come go give it to daddy.
We need to get...
That's my baby.
Chooks, thank you.
Rock
Please
my
do.
roll, baby. Excuse me.
Did you see that? Did you see that?
So make you know the drag this life. But to be your own now. You don't need to fight to get it. You don't really need to fight because despite the hatred, wickedness and greediness, what will be, will be.
Hey! What is it? Where are you going with my judge for it? Wait! Come on, you give me. I don't see your judge. I'll forget my five fingers on your face, oh. On my face? Oh yeah, now try it. Try it. Let me see it. Try it. Hey! Who go mad? Who go mad? If you don't kill them. Hey! I will kill you all. This my...
Hey! Stop that! Hey! Stop that!
Stop that! This is my rock.
What is the problem and why are you both fighting?
She took my judge. My judge rapper. Who took your judge? Look at your judge there. Don't you have eyes?
Give it to me. Eh? Listen to me. Now the both of you are going with me to the palace. If we must hear about this, I won't allow the two of you to kill yourself over these pieces of wrapper. Do you understand? Yes! Now, move.
It's because of him.
Move!
What will you do? Because of him. What will you do? I said because of him. Let's go to the palace.
Now move! I said move!
So make you know the drag this life. But to be your own now. You don't need to fight to get it. You don't really need to fight because despite the hatred,
why would you do
wickedness and greed.
Greetings, Your Highness. Your Highness, we are the daughters of Wanze, begotten by different mothers. Our father bought the same type of judge wrappers for us. In the last Abako Umago festival, her own faded out because of regular washing with detergent. This morning we washed our clothes. She intended claiming mine.
Your Highness, don't mind her. She's lying. It's us that faded. This one is mine.
Where is your father?
He went hunting with other hunters, and they usually come back after a week.
Bring it.
Now one of you will have to forfeit this for the other. So who's it?
Hi, Your Highness, it's my rapper. It's my rapper, Jojo. My father bought it for me. It's mine.
Stop lying. It's mine.
She's
Well, then
lying.
in that case, I will have to burn it. God!
Please, my king. Please, don't burn it, please. Give it to her. I will take the faded one, please. I don't want my father to be angry with us. He bought these judge wrappers for us. I don't want him to see that we are having misunderstanding. Please.
Come and have it.
I'm sorry, my king. I don't need it again. You can burn it.
Why?
Because I don't trust her. She might come back to fight me when we leave the palace.
No.
Come. Go ahead. Take it. This wrapper belongs to you. On no account should you attack her again because of this.
Thank you, my king. Yes, my king. Thank you, my king.
This case is closed. Return back to your homes.
Thank you.
The king has spoken. Go.
Thank you. Thank you, my king.
God!
Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. You're my sister. The only sister I have. Please forgive me. God. I did everything out of jealousy and envy. People want me. Please forgive me.
Ogama, stop. It's
Ogama,
okay. It's okay. It's okay. Get up, okay? Get up.
See, from the depths of my heart, I have forgiven you.
Yes.
Okay? Listen, I have cancelled any effect of any word I used against you out of provocation. Okay?
Thank you.
You know you're my blood.
Thank you. Thank you, my sister.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Get up. Okay.
It's okay.
Goma, get up. Now we are one happy family back again. I think this calls for celebration. Gods!
Darling, your mood and attitude haven't been friendly recently. You look disturbed. Tell me, what is the matter with you?
Darling, I'm okay, I'm fine.
No! No, you're not fine. Tell me, what is the problem? What's going on?
I'm fine, darling.
No, you are not fine. Tell me, what is the problem with you? What's worrying you?
Okay, darling, promise me you'll not get mad at me. That's all.
God.
Promise me, please.
I won't get mad at you. Open up to me.
Okay.
Where did this speak? What is going on?
What is going on?
more. Guys, I have the money, man. Eh? See, let's confirm it first.
Forget, I tell you, see, this woman a correct woman. She dey deliver well.
That's all right, guys. Let's confirm it. We will confirm. We'll confirm. Now, the go now. The go now. White money. Listen, guys.
Oh, man, legit too.
Listen.
Hey,
Very
we
good
don't make
business. Let's move out of here. Niggas.
Your Highness, I'm finished. I am finished. They killed my wife. I just managed to escape, Your Highness.
And since when did this secured and peaceful kingdom become a slaughter den?
Your Highness, I beg you. First it was the prince that got missing. Now they have killed my wife. Your Highness, I don't know what is happening in this kingdom anymore. I don't know.
Mazio Keke,
Your Highness,
I assure you that I will do everything within my powers to unravel the perpetrators of this ungodly act.
Please, Your Highness, do.
You must take it easy, Mazio Keke. I will get to do with the Voltas.
Your Highness, if you say so. God.
She's heartless, she's evil. She don't care for anybody but herself. She's sorry and sorrow.
What happened? Agunko informed me that they killed Chinyere and her husband. How come he's still alive? I have to call him.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
I was told you wanted to see me.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Sit.
Thank you.
But I do not know you.
Yes, Your Majesty. My name is Okando. I'm from Obulupa. I am a hunter. I brought you this fresh bushmeat.
Well, thank you. Now to what do I owe this act of kindness?
Your Majesty, you are a good king. This is just a token from my heart.
Well, thank you once again.
You're welcome, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, please, can I ask an important question?
Go ahead.
Your Majesty, is it true that one of your sons is missing?
To what end? Who are you exactly? A hunter or a seer?
Your Majesty, I'm a hunter. I asked that question because I'm here to let you know that your son, Monachimso, is still alive.
And how is that even possible?
Some people wanted to kill him, but something went wrong, and they abandoned him and fled. I found him.
Where is my son?
He's in my abode.
Guards!
Master, that was how it happened. They came. Their original intention was to kill both of us. They killed her, but by the grace of God, I survived.
So Chinyere is no more. It's okay. I believe that someday God will expose our killers.
I miss Chinyere so much. I miss her so much.
Okay, I understand how you feel. Eh? We all miss Chinyere. She was my very good friend.
It is painful.
May God give us the fortitude to bear this irreplaceable loss.
Amen. Amen.
But, Ichokeke, you cannot continue to be running away from your home. You need to go back to the house.
I am scared. I am scared that those people who killed her might come back after my life. I'm afraid.
You don't have to be scared. I heard that the Igwe has assigned some bodyguards that will be guiding your house. So please go back home.
It's okay. It's okay.
Dad,
Sam,
I'm so happy to see you.
I'm so happy as well. We all talk to you, Dad.
Daddy,
Yes, son.
I don't know who wanted to kill me, but I am alive. God used mercy to save my life.
Do not be afraid, for I am with you now, and no one can kill you.
Okay, thank you, Dad.
Dad?
Yes, son.
How is my mother and my sisters?
They're all fine, but I didn't tell them I was coming to see you.
Why? Why didn't you?
Because I wanted to be sure you were alive before breaking the news to them.
But I am alive.
My prince, Igwe is right.
Mazu Kando,
Your Majesty.
I can't thank you enough for what you've done for my son. The palace is forever indebted to you.
Your Majesty, it's my pleasure to be of service to you.
Son,
Yes, Dad.
we must leave for the palace immediately.
Okay, Dad. But, Daddy, Mazu Kando has been of great help to me, and I can't live without him. Please, Dad.
Mazu Kando,
Your Majesty.
I'm sorry, but you must have to come with me.
Your Majesty, I have so many things to take care
For
of.
the sake of my son, the prince of Akwesili Kingdom, I insist.
Anything that made the Empress happy. So I'll go with you.
Guards!
So my children, please, you both have to be very careful now. Mind how you move around this compound and try not to go outside most of the time, please. Okay?
Okay, Mommy. But Mommy, what if we want to play?
You have to play inside for now. Stay indoors. Whatever you want to do, do it indoors. I'm still trying to recover from Mona Chimso's loss. Please, I don't want anything to happen to you both. Okay?
Mommy, did you hear that sound?
Oh, yes. Yeah. That must be your father, right? Alright, let's go.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
My king, you're welcome.
Thank you very much. Where is Adajogo and her children?
She's inside. She barely comes out. My king, on a more serious note, you have to talk to Adadiogo. Later try and forget about Muna Chimso. If he's still alive, he would have showed up.
Adadiogo! Adadiogo! Where is she?
Inside. Like I said, she barely comes out.
Ah, there you are. How are you, my beautiful daughter?
Fine, Daddy.
You're welcome, Igwe.
Thank you very
called
much.
me. You called me.
Oh, yes. You see, I have a surprise for you.
For me?
Of course.
What could that be, Igwe?
Go to the car. Something special is waiting for you there.
What is it?
Come on, Mom. It's me, your boy. It's me. Come on, boy. It's your boy. It's me, Mom.
Your Majesty, your call was sudden. I hope there's no problem.
I am disappointed in all of you.
Your Majesty, what did we do?
Little assignments I gave to you. What did you do? You messed it up. I thought you guys were professionals. I never knew you guys are amateurs.
Your Majesty, I still don't understand what you're talking about.
You don't understand what? I requested you delete Prince Munachimuso. But what did you do like I said? You guys messed it up.
Your Majesty, Munachimuso is rotting in here by now.
Will you shut up? Shut up your stupid mouth! The same boy you buried alive is in the palace as we speak!
That's not possible! Never!
Munachimso has returned to the palace alive and strong! You guys deceived me, but I swear, you will pay!
She wanna be the first. She don't wanna see anybody rise. 'Cause she's a heartless woman. Wow.
See, guys. Wanna play me the Makosa make I dance now? Wanna play me the cassette by listening to them?
Wetin dey sup be say our deal for this area don cast. People dey comot, go leave the area.
Wait, because of that woman who call herself queen, now won't come out for this zanga.
They say prevention is better than cure. People dey comot so.
See, as I dey reason una say woman matter high pass man own, I know the reason now. As you see me so now, why I dey walk from this place?
Okay, so when are we leaving?
When are we leaving as how? You don't know say for Munachi so to survive na miracle. Me, I don't leave this town. Anything when I do, the Yamona they do me, I don't pass.
Let them make punch they wear you. Dey.
Ikemba.
Yes, Daddy.
Now I want to re-echo this into your mind.
Okay, Dada.
Mona Chimso here is your brother. Your blood. You must be your brother's keeper, no matter the circumstance. Huh?
Yes, Daddy.
Now I want you two to love yourselves, just like I love your mothers. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Daddy.
Now Mona Chimso, you have to forgive your brother. Okay?
But Dad, how do you expect me to forgive him?
Mona Chimso, that's enough. Okay? Now come here, both of you.
Yes, Daddy. Okay, Daddy.
I
but
love
don't
you,
try
okay?
that next time.
I love you too, my sons.
I love you too, Daddy. I love you, Daddy. I love you,
I love you.
Get your legs up. That's
Why?
not your chair. Yeah, he's my chair because he's my father. But Dad, you know I'm the firstborn. I love you, please, Daddy. Aww, you're so soft. I love you too. I love your mustache.
Maz, you can do. Once again, thank you very much for saving the life of my son, Prince Munachimso. I am forever grateful.
Thank you, Your Majesty. We thank God for using me as a vessel to save the life of that handsome young prince.
Like father, like son.
Yeah.
You know, on that note, I want to appreciate you. You know that large parcel of land in between Ike Market and the market?
Yes.
The one close to our grazing with the rubber factory?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good. That portion of land
Your Majesty, that is too much. That is too much.
Well, there's nothing too much for the man who saved the life of my son. And there is a check to add to it. Here.
Hey! 10 million naira. Your Majesty, thank you very much. Isago mucho. Hey, you have made me the richest hunter and farmer in my land. Thank you very much, Your Majesty. Thank you.
That is nothing compared to the life you saved. As a matter of fact, I owe you a lot. Okay? As a matter of fact, if you ever need anything, do not hesitate to come to the palace.
Thank you.
My palace doors are open to you. You're welcome.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you, Majesty.
These are my own little way of appreciating you. There are more to come. Prince and princesses.
Yes, Daddy.
We want you all to be of good behaviors as you go back to your different schools. Do not do anything that will get you into trouble, or anything that will bring ruin to our family name. And I pray the gods of our land will help you all excel in your academics.
Thank you, Daddy. I really love Daddy.
Thank you very much, boy. My prince, I am grateful to the gods for their love and greetings, Your Majesty. God wish you.
What? For what?
You have every right to remain silent because whatever you say or do is against your God of law. Move it.
I don't understand.
Swear.
No. No, please. No. Igwe, my king. My king. Please, let him take me away, please. Igwe, I arranged for the kidnapping of Muna Chimso.
What?
I committed a lot of atrocities. What are you saying? You want to confess? If you do, everything we built and labored for will be destroyed. Chinyere, don't you know the implications of what you want to do?
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. You're a woman like me. You have your own children. I don't. I want to have my own children too. I want to be called a mother too. I'm sorry.
Chinyere, have you forgotten the oath we took before the deity?
It's a Ludogachi. It's a Ludogachi. I know where all the chia and the woody. It's a Ludogachi.
Great one.
My daughter.
This is Chinyere, my most trusted maiden. She has agreed to work with us.
Chinyere!
Yes, great one.
Can you be trusted?
Yes, great one.
You must take an oath before the deity of Ezekala that whatever we say or do will remain secret between us.
Yes, great one. I promise to keep every secret with the last drop of my blood.
Him! Both of you hold the staff of Ezekala and repeat after me. Whatever we do or say,
Whatever we do or say
will remain secret between us.
will remain secret between us.
May the deity of Ezekala strike me dead if I reveal the secret to anyone.
May the deity of Ezekala strike me dead if I reveal the secret to anyone. So you see, if you confess, you will die.
I'm not scared anymore. I'd rather confess and die than to remain barren. I'm sorry. Think about it. There's nothing to think about. My mind is made up.
Chinyere, I said think about it.
No! No, she can't confess. She can't confess. She can't. No! If she do, I'll be in trouble. She can't confess. No, she can't confess. She won't confess. She can't confess.
Your Majesty, your call was sudden. I hope there's no problem.
I am disappointed in all of you.
Your Majesty, what did we do?
Little assignments I gave to you. What did you do? You messed it up. I thought you guys were professionals. I never knew you guys are amateurs.
Your Majesty, I still don't understand what you're talking about.
You don't understand what? I requested you delete Prince Munachimuso. But what did you do like I said? You guys messed it up.
Your Majesty, Munachimuso is rotting in here by now.
Will you shut up? Shut up your stupid mouth! The same boy you buried alive is in the palace as we speak.
That's not possible. Never.
Munachimso has returned to the palace alive and strong. You guys deceived me, but I swear you will pay.
She wanna be the first
in this palace. Mahim, please, I beg you, please don't let him take me away, please. Mahim, please, I'm begging you, please. Ada, please, I beg you, please don't let him take me away, please, Mahim. I am so sorry, Ada, I am sorry, please. Mahim, please,
and fight for us. I am my fine amazing. We don't know what in the happen now. Girls of our land, arise and fight for us. I cannot name us in the eye. If a man, put that manipulation in the royal house, confusion in the royal home, and it's an insult to royalty, and a slap to the face of the people.